Let's talk about paper trading. What is paper trading? Paper trading is basically trading stocks on a fake account or with fake money. It's just imaginary money. It's not real money. You can replay stocks sometimes on a previous day even, such as rerun the day, and you're playing with paper trades and you're doing the real trading, you're executing trades, orders are being fulfilled, so everything is functioning and everything is working. It's fake money. You don't really make real money, or you don't lose real money. It just gets you into a practice mode or stage in order to execute trades. Now, I like paper trading. I think it's healthy for beginners, especially when you're first starting out, to practice before you do any real live trading. And that's the way I would advise you. Here's my steps and processes of the way I would recommend you do your trading. Okay, so first you get your education and you learn as much as possible. So you get all that education that you possibly can. Then, after you get the education, do a little bit of paper trading. And this is my simplified version of it. So you do some paper trading. After you do some paper trading, you do live trading on minimal stocks or minimal amount of shares, okay? So you want to make sure you go to live trading, because this will gain experience for you. But let me emphasize something here. You want to do low shares. You're probably thinking, why? Why am I going to do low shares? I'm not going to make any money that way. You're right. I don't want you to make money yet. Okay, I want you to stay away from actually trading large sum accounts, because you're going to blow up your account and you're going to lose a ton of money. You're going to screw yourself over and you're going to have no cash in your account, and then you won't be able to do any live trading later on in the future. So do low shares. What do I mean by that? I mean, if stocks are trading, let's say you're looking at a stock and it's $50 a share, and you have a trading strategy that you sell parts or pieces of your stock, as it goes up, or you add to it. I don't want you to trade more than 5 shares, okay? That way, as the stock is going up, or when you have an entry point, basically what you want to do is you add 1 share. You buy 1 share. Okay, yeah, the commission's going to cost you a lot more, and it's going to add up, but this is going to get you experience. So as it keeps going, you add a second one, okay? As it goes down, maybe you'll sell it, whatever your trading strategy is. But basically, you're staying away from a ton of shares. If you're just a person that buys it and then sells it all at once, you're doing it instantly, then just stick to that 1 share. You don't need to be buying more shares. So commissions, they can range anywhere from $5 to $20 each trade. So yeah, you're gonna take a hit. If you're not making $30 or $40 for each of those trades, you're gonna be losing $30 or $40. That's right, I'm telling you, you're gonna be losing when you're doing live trading to gain experience. In this business, you have to give your time and your money, okay? Your time, energy, or money, you're gonna have to get that experience some way. And you're not going to want to trade, 300-400 shares or thousands of shares, all at once just to gain experience, because you're going to blow up your account and you're going to be in a huge mess. So what this is going to allow you to do is, when you're doing this and you're trading it, just make an Excel sheet and multiply that times 100 or 200 or 500 shares that you normally would trade, or what you're looking to trade sometime in the future. And then you're going to see if you're making a really healthy profit. If you're successful most of the time and you're trading your account properly, then after you do the live trading for the experience, then you do the live trading with larger shares, okay, or larger share amounts, share quantities. But you definitely want to make sure you start with low shares to absolutely virtually as minimal shares as possibly can. And why do I say that? Well, the reason is in this live trading, you basically are gaining a lot more that you can't gain from paper trading. Paper trading, the problem with it, what happens is the trade executions will fill automatically. In live trading, they might not, because stocks might not be available, they might be more scarce, your trade timing might be off. So, and not to mention a lot of that human psychology, the anxiety, the fear, and also the fact that it's real money will play a huge role in live trading. It's going to totally change your mindset and perception because it is live trading. Whereas paper trading, you're just kind of like, you might wing it. And I've seen it happen to a lot of people. They do so well with their education. They study so much stuff. They might be the most educated. Then they do a lot of paper trading and they're doing really well. Their parents see them. Oh, they're doing fantastic. They're making a lot of money paper trading. And then they go to live trading and they share like, they trade maybe 50 to 80% of their account. Let's say they had $20,000 in the account and they trade $17,000. All of a sudden they blow up their account because they start losing, and they're losing $1,000 every single trade, and after 5 to 7 trades they have no money. And that's what happens when you blow up your account. So that's why I say, when you do live trading for experience, do it because you're gaining experience of human psychology, anxiety, the fear, trading with real money, how you deal with day-to-day things, how you deal when situations come up. And that's what you're trying to do, is gain that experience. And then you can always increase or bump your shares. So that's how I would go about paper trading. That's what paper trading is. If you want to build experience, do it this way. Don't blow up your account. I'm sorry if you do, but make sure you stick to the low shares, because it'll definitely gain and give you more experience, and you'll learn a lot more from it than totally trading with large share size and exploding your account. Lessons are a hard price to pay, but in this business, you have to pay to get experience. So I hope this was helpful. Stick to kind of this section. In my DVD course, I go in more detail about the right way to kind of trade, or to train yourself for very good trading, also inside your day-to-day operations, your human psychology, how everything's put together. So, but this is just kind of a quick little tip and rundown. So I hope you found it helpful.